How to reset the Excel settings to default. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you want to format your Excel settings and make it as before, here is a quick fix to do it. So for that, first of all, you need to click on the search bar. Type in Registry Editor and hit the enter button. After this, it will open a new tab. Now, you have to go to the certain location which is mentioned on the screen. First of all, click on HKey Current User, then on Software folder. Under it, go to Microsoft folder. Under Microsoft, search for Office and then click on 16.0 folder. Thereby, you must see the option called as Excel. Go to its options. Under options, right-click on it and click on delete. And just by this way, you can reset the Excel settings to default. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.